Did you know that purslane, a common garden weed, is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids? It has a fresh, slightly sour taste and can be used in salads or cooked like spinach. Alpha-linolenic acid, a kind of omega-3 fatty acid, is one of the main nutritional advantages of purslane. Omega-3 fatty acids are vital for human health and are known to improve heart health, reduce inflammation, and enhance cognitive function, among other advantages. Purslane is a good source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, magnesium, calcium, and potassium, in addition to omega-3 fatty acids. Additionally, it includes alpha-tocopherol and beta-carotene, two advantageous antioxidants.